Let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, some cool relief today, but it looks like it's not going to last.
Jeremy, temperatures today were as much as 15 degrees cooler across our state, but Sydney was back there to the mid-20s. However, a heat wave will engulf our state this week, becoming severe across most central and northern regions between Tuesday and Friday. Now, during the peak of this heat around Thursday, the coast can expect maximums in the mid-30s, while the west will soar to the mid to high 40s. And it's a reminder we live on a warming planet. The World Meteorological Organization has consolidated 6 leading data sets used to monitor the global temperature. And all 6 show 2023 was the hottest year on record, only a fraction of the Paris Agreement target of 1.5 degrees above pre-industrial levels. A southerly buster brought relief to Sydney last night, though. It arrived at 10 p.m. and produced wind gusts up to 80 kilometres per hour at the airport. Low cloud then moved in behind the change off the Tasman Sea and held today's high to 25 in the city, 1 below average and 9 below yesterday. Penrith's top of 25 was 6 below average and 14 below yesterday. Now, statewide minimums were up to 6 above average in the north ahead of the change and up to 7 below average in the southwest behind the change. The southerly moved to the north coast this morning. It reached Byron Bay at around midday, although it lagged over the northern inland, leading to the warmest day in over 3 years for a handful of locations. That included 43 at Moree and 33 degrees in Armidale. Now, on the satellite, there's some low cloud on our coast. It's bringing just the odd light shower, and a pocket of storms formed right near the Queensland border this afternoon. On the chart tomorrow, well, this high will direct onshore winds and a few light showers onto our coast. Well, there's a tropical low in the Coral Sea that should intensify into a tropical cyclone. Now, around the country, very hot for Adelaide and the Alice, heading for 41. Canberra, mostly cloudy and 25. And for the northeast tomorrow, a medium chance of showers on the north coast and ranges. It's grading to only a slight chance of a shower for the Hunter Coast and then looking dry further west. For the southeast, a medium chance of showers on the coast and eastern ranges, mostly in the morning, then clearing up in the afternoon. Should be dry further west though. Yes, a top of 30. To the west, mostly sunny and hot. Low 40s in the northwest, but the peak of the heat wave in a few days will bring maximums around 5 degrees warmer. The winds will average around 20 knots off the waters, seas up to 1.5 metres. Now for Sydney, staying mostly cloudy tomorrow, the chance of a light shower in the morning, easterly winds. Temperature range 20 to 26 for the city, top of 23 on the beaches, around 25 to 26 for the west. The sun will be up at 6:06 and ahead. Sunny with warm northerly winds returning Wednesday, 30 to 36. Partly cloudy, hot on Thursday, 35 to 39, slight risk of a storm. Hot again Friday, that's ahead of a thundery cool change in the afternoon, Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. Here's Laura Tingle for you now with 7:30.